this is the Salsa with Sylvia, beginner level 1, week 4. So in week 4, we review everything we've learned and we give you a pattern that you practice with music. All right, so we're going to put together this pattern, and we're, just for the purposes of this exercise, we're going to put the footwork in the pattern. So we're going to start with the Susie Q. So we're going to do a basic step followed by Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic outside crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. 1 broken left for the follower. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. Crossbody lead with a hair comb. And the lead does his broken left. 5, 6, 7. Basic and hammer lock. 1, 2, 3. 7 and 1. And 2 flow or back break. And 1, 2, 3. Crossover step. 1, 2, 3. 7. One more time. 6, 7, and 1. So this is your pattern for today. It seems like a lot, but these are moves that we have already learned, and this is how it goes. Basically, when you dance in a social dance club, the leads have the task to remember all these moves and offer variety for the follower so they don't get bored. All right, let's try it with music. So we're going to do it with music, and we're going to call the moves. Basic step followed by a Susie Q. 1, 2, 3. One more Susie. Come together for a basic. I'm going to do an outside crossbody lead. Broken left turn for the follower. Style your arm. Hair comb and crossbody lead. 1, hammer lock. Broken left turn for the lead, followed by a hammer lock. And 2 flow or back break, and the crossover step. And back to the top. Susie Q. One more Susie. Basic and outside crossbody lead. Broken left turn, prep, style, crossbody with a hair comb, and broken left for the lead. Basic, hammer lock, prep, back break and 2 flow, 6, 7. And crossover step. So this concludes all the material that we cover in beginner level 1. So we learned outside crossbody lead, we learned broken left turn, we learned a hair comb, which we can do over the lead's head or over the follower's head. We'll show that later on. We also did hammer lock, and we introduced the back break or entufla. So we hope to see you in the next level. For more information, go to www.salsawithsilvia.com. And this is Mario. I'm Sylvia. We'll see you next time.